Oh hi, it's a sad day here. I need to replace my Topos, my Flylight 2s. Have been a great road running shoe, but alas, it's time for them to go wherever used road shoes go. So I thought I would take this opportunity to just talk a little bit about when is it time to replace your shoes and some of the things to look for. So a couple of things. One is related to the mileage that you put on your shoes. On average, you're looking at 400 to 500 kilometers, maybe a little more, depending on the shoe that you're wearing, the surfaces that you're running on, and how heavy you are. So if you're really lightweight, your shoes may get longer life, and if you're a bigger person, putting on quite a few miles, then you're going to have to replace your shoes sooner, more likely. So that's one indication, is just the mileage. One of the other indications, which is a nice visible one, is just looking at the treads. So this is my old Flylight 2, and when I compare that with the new Flylight 2, it's pretty pronounced, the difference. So lots of wearing down all around, in my case, on the bottom of the shoe, but particularly on the outside, at the heel and at the forefoot. This is not uncommon for a lot of people. This is where they wear their shoes down. So once the outsole is worn down, you can bet the cushioning is gone, or is definitely going. So that's a good indication that it's time to replace the shoe. Another indication is, are you starting to get sore joints, or are you starting to get pain maybe in your calf, or you're starting to get some shin splints? Telltale one is sore knees. For me, the telltale sign was a calf injury, and it was then clear that I needed to replace the shoe. So those are a few signs that you can look towards to help you identify when you need to replace your shoes. And the best thing to do is, when you think it might be time, to go into a store, try on some new ones, and see if you notice a big difference, particularly in the stability and the support between your old ones and the new ones. And if you do notice a big difference, then yeah, it's time to replace them. Happy trails.